We already covered that the digestive function has a connection to testosterone, but what about the connection between the metabolism and testosterone? So, the hypothalamus is the main area where the releasing hormones are made and secreted. So, for testosterone, this was GnRH, and for thyroid hormone, this is TRH or thyroid releasing hormone, and both travel to the pituitary gland. GnRH will then trigger LH and FSH production, and LH goes to the Leydig cells, which binds to the LH receptor and starts producing androgen hormones. The pituitary gland also releases TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone, and this hormone stimulates in the thyroid follicles the synthesis of T4, which is the main product or end product of the thyroid gland, and in smaller amounts also T3 or active thyroid hormone. But the majority is T4, and T4 travels to the liver where it gets converted into T3, and then the active T3 can bind to the thyroid receptor on the gonads, on the testicles, and then also have a androgen response triggering testosterone synthesis. So this is the role how thyroid can contribute to more androgen hormones. The study that I found states that primary hypothyroidism that it is associated or connected with hypogonadism, and this is reversible with thyroid hormone replacement therapy. And I believe many men don't need TRT, they need thyroid hormonal replacement therapy. Thyroid hormones stimulate Leydig cell steroidogenesis, so this is a scientific fact. The importance of thyroid hormone. Under normal thyroid, we convert pregnenolone into progesterone and testosterone. But if we are hypothyroid and we are stressed, we convert pregnenolone into estrogen and cortisol. So this is thyroid-driven metabolism. Thyroid-driven metabolism promotes also steroidogenesis, either in the good way, so in making testosterone, and when we have not enough thyroid hormone, we get a lot of estrogen and cortisol, so the stress hormones. However, many men don't have primary hypothyroidism, which is a problem with the thyroid itself. Most of us have functional hypothyroidism. And this is not a thyroid problem, but a conversion problem. And as I said before, about 70 to 80% of inactive thyroid hormone T4 gets converted into active thyroid hormone T3 in the liver. So the liver is the main organ where this conversion happens, and it also happens in other organs like the small intestines and the kidneys. So what causes this functional hypothyroidism? We have several causes, such as dysglycemia, so low blood sugar levels, if we are in ketosis, if we are stressed, or if we are simply not eating enough healthy carbohydrates, easy to digest carbs, then we get not enough sugar or blood sugar levels, and not enough glycogen stores in the liver, and therefore we get a conversion problem. Of course, also chronic stress, so HPA, HPT stress, low glutathione reserves. If we are overly toxic, we can have a conversion problem, as glutathione plays also a role in this conversion. Or we don't get enough micronutrients. So micronutrients like selenium increase glutathione stores. And in general, micronutrient deficiencies, deficiency in zinc, iodine, in iron, copper, or selenium can also cause functional hypothyroidism. A conversion problem, such as in the liver or in the gut due to gut dysbiosis or endotoxemia, can also cause functional hypothyroidism. And toxicity in general is also related to functional hypothyroidism. So as you can see, everything is a little bit connected with each other. If you have low blood sugar levels, you will have more stress and you will have a conversion problem. If you have micronutrient deficiencies, you will have low glutathione, you will be more prone to stress and also have a conversion problem. And if you're toxic, you will have lower glutathione stores, probably also micronutrient deficiencies and poor conversion. So everything is connected with each other. And an easy way to fix the metabolism is to focus on food frequency, so eating frequently, and focusing also on nutrient density. So by combining a carbohydrate, a simple carbohydrate like fruit, honey, or milk, with a protein from any kind of meat, seafood, or shellfish, and with a healthy fat from dairy or coconut, we stabilize blood sugar levels, we provide building blocks like cholesterol, fat-soluble vitamins, and essentially the trace minerals like zinc, copper, iron, selenium, iodine. And by doing so, we provide a continuous stream of fast energy from easy to digest carbohydrates, protein, and fats, and also the trace minerals, which our metabolism needs to convert these macronutrients into energy inside the cells. So, by following these principles, we will feel less stressed and more high energy. We will improve the T4 to T3 conversion, and our glutathione stores are going to be higher, which means that we will be more efficient in the process of detoxification.